Do not throw away corn silk, it has many health benefits. Normally, most of us throw away the hair-like fibrous part of the corn, right? Well, it is called corn silk, and it certainly offers a number of health benefits when consumed. Many a times, we do not realize that certain natural ingredients are extremely nutritious, so we take the parts of these ingredients that we believe are healthy and throw away the rest. Similarly, when it comes to corn, not many of us are aware that the corn silk is also extremely nutritious. As we know, corn is an extremely healthy food that is rich in vitamins A, B and E, along with minerals like calcium. Many people make corn a regular part of their diet, as they are aware of its health benefits. A recent research has found that corn silk is also extremely nutritious and has many disease-fighting abilities. You can either wash and cook the corn silk to consume it, or you can grind it to obtain a liquid, mix it with honey and consume for a better taste. So, have a look at some of the health benefits of corn silk here. 1. Prevents kidney stones. By flushing out the toxins and nitrate compounds accumulated in your kidney, corn silk has the ability to prevent kidney stones. 2. Improves blood's clotting ability. As corn silk is rich in vitamin K, it improves the ability of your blood to clot, thus preventing the loss of excess blood during injuries. 3. Treats diabetes. By regulating the imbalance of the insulin production in your body, corn silk has the ability to lower the blood sugar levels, thus treating diabetes symptoms. 4. Controls cholesterol. Another health benefit of corn silk is that it dislodges the cholesterol accumulated in the arteries and flushes it out, therefore reducing high cholesterol. 5. Improves digestion. Corn silk has the ability to boost the production of healthy digestive juices, thus improving your digestion and appetite. 6. Treats bladder infection. Yet another health benefit of corn silk is treating bladder infections, as it has the ability to kill certain microbes that affect the bladder. 7. Prevents heart diseases. As corn silk has the ability to reduce high cholesterol and excess fat in the body, it can help prevent certain heart-related ailments effectively. Now that you know all of the benefits of corn silk, you must be wondering how to consume it. The most recommended way is through corn silk tea. Here's what you do. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of dried corn silk, 1 cup of water. Instructions: put the corn silk in the water and let it sit for a few minutes. Once the time is up, strain the water. If you don't like the taste, add a few drops of lemon juice. If you need measurements, in order to make large quantities, use 25 grams of corn silk for each liter of water. It's recommended that you drink this tea throughout the day. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.